I'm Lincoln from Metro Associates, Florida's premier electrical manufacturers rep, providing performance and results for over 50 years. Here at Metro Associates, we are a proud representative of Ideal Electrical, and today I am excited to announce that Ideal has released the industry's first UL-listed twist-on connector for copper-clad aluminum wire. Now, not only is this connector UL listed, but the vibrant blue color acts as a quick visual cue, making inspections easy for code-friendly installs. Also, you can feel confident when wielding this connector because the swept wing design Ideal added allows for an easy, tight grip. There are two sizes of this connector. There's model 007 supporting up to 3 10-gauge wires, coming in quantities of 500 or 25,000. And there's model 342 CC supporting up to 4 10-gauge wires, coming in quantities of 250 or 15,000. If you'd like further information on Ideal Electrical's UL-listed twist-on connectors for CCA wire, you can contact your local Metro Associates representative or reach us at ideal@metra-assoc.com or call us at 800-329-5555. And again, I'm Lincoln from Metro Associates, and thank you for your time today.